In this particular video of the playlist, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Analytics for tracking on our Shopify website. Today we will see to set up view item tag with required parameters. I have a tab open of GA4 documentation that shows the required and optional parameters for each event. We will find out from this list the view item. You can see we should configure currency, value and items parameters with view item tags, and obviously we will do that with Google Tag Manager. So let's go. This is the GTM account connected with the website. First of all, I would like to go to preview mode to see which event we can get when somebody visit a product page on our website. So click on preview and then connect. Tag Assistant connected. Now let's visit a product page. Okay, now let's go to Tag Assistant tab and click on continue. You can see on the left side menu there fired an event view item. So I should make a trigger with this event name. So let's go to Google Tag Manager and go to triggers section and then new trigger configuration and choose from here custom event and paste here the event name exactly like here. So I will copy it and then paste here. Then give the trigger a name. I will name it view item. Then save. Now let's make a tag. So go to tag section, take a new tag, tag configuration and choose from here Google Analytics and then GA4 event. Now I should paste here the measurement ID. If you remember in the previous video, I have created a constant variable for this measurement ID. So I will insert that here, this one, and then event name. If I hover the mouse on the question mark, you can see use the recommended event names for best results. So I will paste here the event name what's exactly on this documentation. So I will copy it and paste here view item. Now I should configure the event parameters. I need here 3 tables for 3 parameters like we have seen in the documentation. The parameters for the event was currency, then value, and then items. Now I should insert the value of these parameters. Since I haven't created any variable for these parameters, so I will click on this plus icon to create those variables. And again click on this plus icon and then variable configuration. Choose from here data layer variable. And this variable name will be, go to Tag Assistant tab and go to data layer. And then copy from here exactly this e-commerce. And then currency. Go to Google Tag Manager and paste here e-commerce, then dot, then currency. Give the variable a name. I will name it currency. Then save. Now I will create a variable for this value parameter. So click on this plus icon. Again the plus icon. Variable configuration, data layer variable, and the variable name will be, go to Tag Assistant tab and copy from here this value. Go to Google Tag Manager and paste here e-commerce, then dot, then value. Give the variable a name. I will name it value. Then save. Now I will create a variable for items. So click on this plus icon and again on this plus icon, variable configuration, data layer variable, and the variable name will be, go to Tag Assistant tab and copy from here items. Go to Google Tag Manager and paste here e-commerce dot, then items. I will name the variable items. Then save. Our parameters configuration is complete. Now go to triggering, click on this trigger and choose from here this view item trigger. Give the tag a name. I will name it GA4 view item. Then save. Our tag is ready. Now it's time to check if it's working properly. So I would like to open the preview again. Along with, I will open GA4 debug view so that we can see is it reaching out to GA4 also. So go to admin and from data display, open debug view. Paste here your website URL and click on connect. Tag Assistant connected. Let's visit a product. Now go to Tag Assistant tab, click on continue You can see our GA4 view item tag is fired successfully here. Now we should get this tag also on our debug view. If I open the debug view, you can see our view item tag is also coming here. If I click on this view item, you will get those parameters I have configured on GTM, like currency and then value and then items here. So we can say our tag setup is perfect. Now one more thing at last but not the least, that we should publish our container. Otherwise the tag will not be working in the real cases. So click on this submit. Give the version a name. I will name it GA4 view item tag. Here you can write a short description about this stuff so that next time you can recall what update was created on this version. Okay, then publish. So that's it in this video. If you have any question, feel free to write down in the comment box. I will reply that as much as possible. And I am a top rated professional freelancer working on Fiverr and also working on Upwork with 100% job success. You can read my clients' feedback of their satisfaction in these accounts. If you need my services, you can place an order on these marketplaces. Otherwise, you can contact me on this WhatsApp number or on this Gmail address, like you can see also below the video. So that's it today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below the video and consider subscribing to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you so much.